I think of autumn, carrot cake is the first dessert that comes to mind. That is why I made these super delicious cookies. To take them up a notch, they are filled with a date jam that's homemade. You're going to love this recipe. Let's get into it. The first thing we're going to do is make our sticky sweet date filling. So we need to finely chop up 1 cup of dates. That's right, the filling is super simple. It's only 4 ingredients: our dates, sugar, water, and lemon juice. So all you have to do is bring this up to a boil, making sure you stir constantly. Once it boils, it's going to get very thick and jam-like, and that is perfect. So then we're going to take it off the heat, put it into a glass container, and we are going to chill this for like half an hour to an hour just while we're making our carrot cake cookie dough. We're using a combination of canola oil and shortening, and this is going to give our cookie a soft and tender texture. And then we're also using a combination of white sugar and brown sugar. Brown sugar slightly puffs up your cookie, and then the white sugar gives it a little bit of a crisp on the outside. And now it is time to cream these together. Remember, you cannot overdo mixing butter and sugar. This combination is going to become like super pale and fluffy and aerated, and this is perfect. The next ingredient is 1 room temperature egg. The reason why you don't want it to be cold is because it's not going to blend into the batter or dough really easily. Like, look how smooth this is going to combine together. It is so nice. If you don't have any room temperature eggs, you can place an egg in a bowl of warm water for 30 seconds and it'll be perfect. So now we're just going to quickly grate our carrot. It's 1 large one. It's going to end up being about 1.5 cups of grated carrot in the end. So for all of our dry ingredients, we have some all-purpose flour, and then we have our cinnamon. It is a lot of cinnamon, 1 whole tablespoon. Please don't skimp out because you really need that flavor. And baking soda, so mine's clumpy, so I just rubbed it between my hands together really quickly. And then we're going to have some salt and then the carrots. And that is it for these cookies. We're going to give these a mix just until the flour is combined together. So this recipe makes 12 large cookies, and I'm just using a large cookie scoop to divide the dough. If you do not have one, make sure you check out the Amazon link in the description below. It'll take you to my Amazon storefront, and I will earn a small commission on anything that you decide to purchase. It's a great way to support the channel. So now we're going to make a little bit of an indent in the middle of each cookie, and then we're going to take our date jam. We're going to give it a good stir, and then we're going to put about a tablespoon into the middle of each cookie. These bake in a 350 oven for around 15 minutes. They're going to be nice and golden on the outside. The filling is going to have settled in, and these are so delicious. You might not be able to just eat one. Make sure you subscribe because we have so many more recipes coming out. Thanks for watching episode 2 of Fall in Love with Baking. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!